my channel. I am Bani and in today's video I'm going to be testing out some viral 5-minute craft school hacks and I would be telling you whether it's a pass or a fail. So yeah guys, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to never miss any of my upcoming videos. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. I have chosen some hacks from 5-minute crafts video. So now we're going to test them, and before we test them, we are also going to see the video of that. So before we test the first hack, let's watch the video. So the first hack is about a DIY scale. So if you don't have your scale or you forget your scale, then this hack must be a really good hack for you. So we have to try it out. So we need a paper and 2 pens, and one pen we are going to use it for drawing a line and another pen to draw it. So yeah, now let's test it. So now I'm going to draw a line using this pen. So yeah guys, this hack is pretty good. It is forming a straight line as you can see here. If you forget your scale or you don't have your scale at the moment, then this hack is really good. And I think this would also work for pencils, so you can do it anyways. So this hack is a big pass, and yeah, this is really useful too. The first hack worked, and now let's see the second hack. The second hack is about pencil shavings. So if you don't have a dustbin near you, then you can use this hack if this works. So before we test it, I'm going to tell you how it works. So we just need a balloon and we have to put the sharpener inside and sharpen our pencil over here so that the sharpening collects in this balloon. But yeah guys, who takes a balloon to school? So however, let's test it now. Yeah, so I put it inside and now let's test it. And this is a blunt pencil, so I'm going to sharpen this. So there's nothing special in this, and actually this hack is not working at all because the pencil sharpenings are getting collected over here because there's a balloon on top and it's not letting the pencil sharpening go inside here. So there's no use of this balloon actually. So better you have some box or something like that so you can collect the pencil shavings there. So this balloon would not work. So that's why this hack is a fail and it didn't work actually. So this hack does not work and that's why it's a fail. And one more thing is that we don't carry balloons to school. So yeah guys, now let's see the next hack. The third hack is also pretty useful if it works. So what the third hack is that if you have some papers and you don't have a stapler and you want to combine these papers together, so that's what the hack is. And what we have to do is we have to make a cut over here and then fold the paper inwards from behind. So then the papers will be together. So let's see, does this hack work or not? Now we are going to just make a small cut over here. Now I have made a small cut over here as you can see. So now what we have to do is that we have to put this paper inside from here. And that's how it can hold the paper. Now I have inserted this paper in that cut. And now let's see whether this is stable or not. And if it comes out, then it's of no use. So here I have 3 papers and I'm going to hold one of the paper and see whether it works. So this is pretty good actually. The paper isn't coming out and this is really good, but I'm not sure if you have like 10 or more than that. So with 10 papers or more than that, I don't think it would work because that will be too heavy and this may come out. So yeah, with some number of papers, this will work fine, and this is a really useful hack because most of the time we forget to take our staplers to school and we also need this hack. So yeah, this is a big pass. So the fourth hack is about a eraser tip pencil. So if you have an eraser on one side of your pencil and it is almost flat, so what you can do is you can sharpen that area so the metallic area would come out and you can get your eraser again. So let's see, does this work or not? And now I'm going to sharpen this part, and as you can see, this part is completely flat. My eraser is over from here. So now let's sharpen this. So guys, little bit of eraser is also getting sharpened, but that's okay. At least we would get some eraser at the last. So guys, this hack did not work for me at all, and my eraser also got stuck in the sharpener and now it's not coming out. Stuck in the sharpener. And yeah guys, my eraser is stuck inside there. And this pencil's metallic part over there, that's also completely over, and there's really less height over there. So now if I keep the eraser on top of this also, it won't stand, and my eraser is also stuck and it's not even coming out. So this hack did not work. So yeah, now I took out the eraser. As you can see, this is sharpened a little bit, but there's no use because this is completely sharpened and now we cannot fit it on this. So there's no use. So yeah guys, this hack was a fail for me and it did not work. But it can work if you sharpen it a little less, I think. So I think I sharpened it too much. But yeah, it didn't work for me. And yeah, there's also no use of this because there's very little eraser left, however. So I didn't like this hack and it also failed for me. So yeah, now let's see the next hack. That was the last hack we are going to try. So now let's try the last hack, and the last hack is pretty good, I feel, and very useful too, and I feel that it would work because it's tape which we have to stick on this sticky note, and we are going to make a reusable sticky note. So let's try it out. So for that we need tape and we need sticky notes. First we have to stick the tape on the sticky note, like the whole sticky note, and then you can use it. So now I am done sticking the tape on this, and now let's try it out. Here I have a marker and now I am going to write something on this. So it's working fine, the marker is working fine on this. So this is what I have done. And now I'm going to try to erase it with this whiteboard duster, and let's see does it erase or not, and then we would have our reusable sticky note. So it does work with marker. So now let's try it with sketch pen, because usually sketch pen does not erase on plastic areas, because I have tried that many times. So let's see that if a sketch pen works on this or not. So here I have a sketch pen, and let's see if this works on the sticky note or not. So guys, the sketch pen is not working properly on the sticky note. As you can see that it's really light, and I'm not sure if it would get erased or not. So let's try that. So it takes a lot of effort to erase the sketch pen, and you have to wipe many times, then it would erase, and the sketch pen is pretty light also on this. So I feel a marker would work better. So yeah guys, this hack works with a marker. But the problem is that a marker is really thick, and if you write with a marker on this, then there'll be no space left actually. So you can try this on a big paper, so that would work. But if you're doing it with sketch pen, it's a little bit hard to erase it, but still it does work. So yeah, this is kind of a pass, and this also works properly. So those were the hacks we tested, and yeah guys, which hack is your favorite? Do tell me in the comment section below. So we tested all hacks and some of them failed and some of them passed. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. So yeah guys, if you really enjoyed watching this, then make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell also. And if you turn on the notification bell, then only you would get the notifications for my videos. So make sure to click on that notification bell and also subscribe because it's free to subscribe. So click on that red button and make it grey. So yeah guys, now I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.